Today we're shooting with a closed road.
Result.
Thank you, Ashford Borough Council Film Office, for just for Green Norks RC.
Will it make any difference though?
Probably
no
not.
one pays any attention to road closed signs, do they?
Not really, no.
Right, they get Mr. Hankey to regulate it.
Yeah.
Howdy ho. Right, we're back. What's this, second video in 4 or 5 days?
Yeah.
God dear.
Hopefully this one goes a bit better.
Well, yeah, fingers crossed. Now, Chief Mechanic here has been working on our little puppy. We've done a few little changes for this second speed run. Obviously, we've put the Monster Beetle front wheels and tyres on, most importantly, because that gave it a lot more stability on the very final run we had last time. So they are needed. We've got Cartman on the front because we needed a bit of weight. Obviously, Cartman always reminds me of you, mate. He's got a similar sort of body structure, the same bad attitude and the same filthy mouth. So yeah, right. you've got Taylor sitting on the front.
I've got a bit of Australian running through me, so I'm exempt.
Struth, mate.
Yeah, no worries.
Flaming galah.
Far out.
So
right,
we've got Cartman on the front there. God damn it. Let's have a look what we got in there. Obviously, Mr. Hankey is there, our lucky mascot. It was quite appropriate last time. I've really put him in the poo ditch. So I've relocated the GPS. Now the GPS was given a bit of grief last time. I think it's 3 years old. It's starting to get past its best, to be honest.
It has a few roll marks on it.
So I've mounted it inside the chassis rather than on the front. Hopefully you'll be able to read it through the window after each run. What else have I done to it? Oh, most importantly, we've changed the motor. Have you got that there, Taylor? We've now got a Superstock RZ motor in it. That's a 23 turn, somewhere between 27.5 and 28,000 RPM on this one. I will be disappointed if we don't hit 30 miles an hour on this run. Our last run was about 24.5, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just under 25. So.
Well, I didn't get one in after you put it in the ditch.
Well, let's hope this one's going to be a little bit better. It's going to be more stable, but it's going to be quicker. So I still don't think this is going to be totally fault-free, but it's a learning curve, isn't it, mate?
Absolutely.
So we're going to take the.
Are you cold?
Cold. It's nearly 30 degrees out here.
That t-shirt's a bit tight.
It is actually.
For you.
I've grown a bit.
Your nips are like glass cutting.
I've matured.
Have you?
Yeah.
A bit like your turds.
So there we go. Oh, the other thing is, we've managed to get the road closed, haven't we?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. We have road closure today.
Brilliant. So we've got the whole road to ourselves. So,
thank you, Kent County Council's filming office.
And we haven't paid any road tax.
No.
Right, let's go and hit the straight, Taylor. Give it your best shot.
No worries, mate. Right, here we go then.
What we got there then, Taylor?
So,
show them round for the zeros.
0.49. We got a.
Can you see the 2S70C in there?
2S70C.
Get that nice and clear.
Oh, green wire in the way. 2S70C.
Superstock RZ with a nice pink bell end.
Yeah. That does top speed, so that won't get added on.
Excellent. So Taylor's going to go first, isn't he?
Hopefully, yeah. I thought if I go first, I might actually get a run in before you crash it.
I ain't going to be crashing today. It's not going in the ditch twice, is it?
Huh. You watched our videos.
Oh dear, oh, this is good, isn't it?
This road closure's not going too well, though.
Yeah, I thought the road was closed.
It is closed.
Oh, I don't know.
There's signs each end of it saying closed.
Now watch Cartman on the front, because we don't want to be knocking him off, because we need his weight on there to weigh that front end down. I'm glad Tamiya went away from this screw the body in malarkey quite early in their releases, because this is a bit of a palaver, isn't it?
Yeah, just a tad.
We might go onto the Hornet shell for the next couple of runs, because it will be lighter and it'll be easier to take the body on and off. These screws just don't want to line up. There we go. Cool, that's warm today, isn't it, mate?
It's warm, isn't it? At least there's no thunderstorms today.
Yeah, got a beautiful day for it today. There we go. Well, he's not the only one that had a bad first run in here. I've been watching quite a few.
Bad first run? It was abysmal. It wasn't bad.
Glenn's was quite entertaining last night. I watched Glenn's last night. Riviera RC. He's got nearly as much of a potty mouth as you got.
I get stressed. I think I might have a mild version of Tourette's.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
man.
going well, isn't it? Didn't even bite.
See why you dictate this job to me.
Well, I had the same problem last time.
Why has it been a dick? Oh, man. We need to find an easier way of showing this battery and that.
Run it without the bloody shell on it.
No, you can't do that. It's against the rules.
Is it?
Yeah.
Postman.
Royal fail.
Postman Pat.
I've done it this way because it's such a palaver getting the battery tray open. But I think this is even worse, to be honest. Right, I think I found a thread on that.
Oh, we're doing well. We've got 3.5 minutes of us trying to put the shell on so far.
I told Phil I'd make it shorter this week.
Yeah,
I apologise.
you haven't, yeah?
I said to him we'll be more professional. We'll have a nice polished production.
Shut up.
Oh.
Who are you kidding?
Oh dear.
Oh, now here comes a tractor.
Oh, you're joking.
No.
Oh, mate. You better hang tight. I don't want you driving underneath a tractor. That really will not do our speed.
It's not Jeremy Clarkson, is it? I won't mind yourself because he's right over his side. Ah.
Close this road, mate.
Oh, they're taking no notice of the road closure signs, are they?
No one ever does, do they?
Welcome to Greenhawks RC.
Right.
Who else has tractors in the way on their speed runs? No one.
Right, so we've shown the motor, we've
Yeah.
shown the battery, we've shown the speed meter.
Yeah.
Taylor's now about to take controls. I'm going to go over to oh, nice place to park.
There you go.
All right, there's that.
Thank you.
Nice one, mate. So which way are you going?
Up there and down first.
Okay. Take it steady. Don't crash the car. Is that better or is that better?
It's better, but it's pulling to the right.
That's your cheap servo. I've done the tracking. The problem is your servo is one of them cheap eBay specials and it doesn't self-center, so you have to flick it back in the opposite direction to get the wheels to re-center. The tracking is straight though. Where's he gone? Where's he gone?
I'm going to do that again without the van in the way.
Right, go on then. You've got to be aware how much the motors heat up.
Yeah, well,
We can't do a huge amount of runs because they get built very quick.
I'm getting held up by traffic at the moment on a closed road.
Cool, you nearly run me over then. Right, you must have opened that flat out.
Yeah, that was flat.
Right, bring her in. We want to try and avoid giving that speed meter too much abuse because it has got a dodgy connection in it somewhere. Right, right on cue,
Like that.
like that.
Find that tractor.
Right, let's take this into the shade and have a little look. We've got another tractor now.
$53 come out of it.
53.4
$53.4.
kilometres. Thanks, mate. That's 53
Come back a bit. A bit more.
4 kilometres an hour for Taylor's first run. So then, can we see the battery inside there?
Yes. You come back out of it.
There we go. We've got 2S70C. Oh, Superstock RZ motor. 53.4 for Taylor's first run.
Right then, Yoda, your turn.
Comply with the rules to make sure we're not cheating. Mind you, you need to be, if you're a cheater, you need to be able to get good speed.
I was going to say, I don't think we're cheating. So we got a 1.3 on there, which is fine.
Speed meter's holding up. Good.
We have got a... Oh, you've moved it out of shot. Knob jockey. 2S 70C and a Superstock motor.
Cool.
On a busy road.
Right, let's put this bad boy back. Oh, I'm hating doing this. I think we've got a new sub-challenge here.
Who can get the body on?
Yeah. Let's start a new league table, Phil.
Yeah.
Who can take the longest amount of time to put the body back on these things? Oh, great.
To be fair, if we'd used a bit of noddle and mounted that speedo somewhere where we could access the button through the window, we wouldn't need to keep doing this.
Do you really think if I could have put it somewhere better, I would have been able to?
Or what we could have done is opened it up and put a switch in the between the battery and the circuit board.
You've got to bear in mind, we had it. That's why I mounted it on the front for our first run. But it was taking too much abuse and too much water on board there, so I thought let's try and protect it inside the chassis. You're limited with the space. Also, it's nice and central there, and it's helped put a bit more weight further forward. So there's not
you're
really
just talking shit now.
No, there ain't really many places else you can. Where are you going to mount it then?
Right there on top.
On top, yeah. So then, first, as soon as you roll over, we're gonna mess our speedo up again.
Well, mount it properly; it won't come off.
Well, no, the impacts were stopping it reading last time.
If you stay out the ditch and stop crashing it, we'd be all right.
If you watched that last video, you rolled it just as much as I did.
I reckon if we get some of that sticks like shit, put that on there.
And then as soon as you roll over, we're going to mess up our speed meter. It's on its last legs, mate. I had to mess about with that for hours trying to get that working again after last time. There's a dodgy connection in there somewhere. Yeah. So we need it as
dodgy
safe
connection
as possible.
Don't help when it's underwater either.
No, water electronics generally don't mix, so...
Right then. There's a van coming. No, he's decided to turn off. So here we go.
Oh no.
Oh no, we've got a Volvo coming to the left. Howdy ho! Right, ready?
I am ready.
You're going to do what I did up to Hornash House. That's it. Get in the way of the camera. Wazzock. Touchy, innit?
Something's wrong with this steering.
I said to you, it is pulling to the right on my run. Alright, here he goes. Oh, we had to abort that one because there's a car coming on the closed road.
Didn't want to risk.
Alright, go on, you drive her off there, can't you? Or you got to do with Shane?
I'm professional.
Professional, my arse. Oh, you dick. You dick. Well, that went in there and all. That's probably in her garden, isn't it? It's gone straight through the edge.
Mate, we've lost the car.
Huh? Where'd it go?
I don't know. Can't find it. What's it got?
It's in her garden. It's gone through the edge, isn't it? Oh, for Christ's sake.
It's got a tracker on it.
You're such a bellend. You really are. Oh. Oh, do that again.
There we go, found it.
Huh?
Found it.
Where is it?
Right then.
50.
Let's put that down.
53.
Needs to be clear. They need to be
It is
clear.
clear. 53.13.
What did you do?
53.13. Let's check that we got. Look at all that crap in there, look.
Yeah.
2S 70C. and still got the Superstock in there. Happy?
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cartman's still on it.
Cartman's still on it, and as you can see, 53.13.
Nice. Well, that'll do us. That'll get us up on the leaderboard for Sunday, won't it, with a slightly better time now. So I shall forward them to Phil, and we'll put that up, and hopefully we'll make it for this Sunday's leaderboard.
No worries.
RC signing out.
Indeed.
Nice one. Catch you on the next one.